Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this camping table. Yeah, this is a camping table. Super portable, so lightweight, comes in this really nice carrying case. It's made of nice Oxford fabric, so you can leave this outside. You have instructions, but I'm gonna show you how to do them, so we're just gonna tuck those back here. So in here, you have this nice little case. So if you're out at a ball game or you're just having a little picnic outside, camping, this is a great little table because it's got so much versatility and it takes no time to set this thing up. Right here is your base. It's got a nice little Velcro piece and it all just kind of like snaps where it needs to go. All you've got to do is just push in each one of the pieces into place. And then we've got the bottom one as well. And now you've got your base structure. These are your feet right here on the bottom. So we're gonna put that down. Next, you have two support beams that we are going to snap together. And then these just feed right into the top of this. So I'm gonna bring it in here close so you can actually watch how this is all done. So these little edges right here just slide right over the top of these pieces. And they will kind of go into place there. So now that is here. This comes apart a little bit, but once we clip on the other, we will have that just fine. So now we've got those pieces on. And then it does come with this nice mesh bag that you can put, extra drinks in or snacks, whatever you're wanting to put in there. You can just have that underneath for easy storage. And that just clips on with these nice little hangers here. And this can support up to 22 pounds on the bottom. But once you add on this nice cover, it'll actually hold up to 88 pounds. Now this cover, as you can see, has two little cup holders and two side little holders here. You want to put your phone or snacks or anything like that. And then they just snap right into place. Super easy setup. You've got a nice fabric on the top, and then we will snap this other in place. I said it has the Oxford 600D fabric, so it will be water resistant, ready to be able to put your different drinks in here, have your snacks out on your table, be able to have a nice area that you can then sit outside, be able to have a little table for a side table, little snacks, anything like that. And all of it is right here. Said if you had a phone or extra anything, they fit right there on the side.